The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for Northeastern Wharton County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, west central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles northwest of Wharton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near East Bernard around 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Kendleton around 1:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Egypt and Hungerford. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.